15 most beautiful birds on Earth. The beauty of birds is subjective, and different cultures and individuals may have varied opinions on what constitutes the most beautiful birds. Here's a list of 15 birds often celebrated for their stunning plumage and overall beauty. Number 15. Rainbow lorikeet. The rainbow lorikeet is a strikingly colorful parrot native to Australia. It is known for its vivid plumage featuring a blue head, green wings, and a bright orange-yellow chest. Its scientific name is Trichoglossus molucanus. These sociable birds are often seen in noisy flocks, feeding primarily on nectar and pollen. They also eat fruits and occasionally insects, playing a crucial role as pollinators. Their playful behavior and vibrant appearance make them a favorite among bird watchers and a colorful presence in both wild and urban environments. Number 14. Pinkilla. The pinkilla, or Aeolophus rosicapilla, is also known as pink and gray cockatoo or rose-breasted cockatoo. They have vibrant pink and gray feathers. The laws are very intelligent and are enormously fond of humans. They are commonly found in Australia. Number 13. Atlantic puffin. Atlantic puffins are beautiful birds with orange-red beaks and feet, which becomes especially vivid during the breeding season. Their scientific name is Fratercula arctica. Often referred to as clowns of the sea due to their colorful beaks and waddling walk, Atlantic puffins nest in burrows on coastal cliffs and islands across the North Atlantic. They have large beaks that help them catch several small fish at a time. Number 12. Gouldian finch. This small bird from Australia displays a vivid mix of purple, yellow, green, and red feathers. They are also known as the rainbow finch. Their scientific name is Erythrura gouldia. Gouldian finches are social birds, often found in flocks, and their dazzling plumage makes them a popular species among bird enthusiasts. Number 11. Andean cock of the rock. The Andean cock of the rock is a striking bird native to the cloud forests of the Andes Mountains in South America. Males are known for their bright orange or red plumage and prominent fan-shaped crest, which they flaunt in elaborate courtship displays to attract females. Their scientific name is Rupicola peruvianus. These birds feed on a variety of fruits and are often seen engaging in competitive displays in communal liking grounds. Andean cock of the rock is the national bird of Peru. Number 10. Himalayan monal. The Himalayan monal, also known as the Impeyan pheasant, is a resplendent bird native to the mountainous forests of the Himalayas. Its scientific name is Lophophorus impeginus. Males are renowned for their iridescent plumage, displaying a dazzling array of colors, including metallic greens, blues, and reds, which contrast with the more subdued brown plumage of females. Himalayan monal is the national bird of Nepal. Number 9. African crowned crane. African crowned crane is found in eastern and southern Africa. Their feathers are mainly gray. The head has a crown of stiff golden feathers. Their scientific name is Balearica regulorum. They are the national bird of Uganda. Known for their elaborate courtship dances, these cranes are not only symbols of elegance and beauty, but also play vital roles in their ecosystems by controlling insect populations and promoting seed dispersal. Number 8. Nicobar pigeon. The Nicobar pigeon is found in the Nicobar Islands, Southeast Asia, and the Pacific region. Its scientific name is Colonus nicobarica. It is renowned for its iridescent plumage. Unlike many pigeons, the Nicobar pigeon prefers remote islands and coastal forests, where it plays a crucial role in seed dispersal, but faces threats from habitat loss and hunting. Number 7. Keel-billed toucan. The keel-billed toucan has one of the most impressive bills of any bird on the planet. They are found in the tropical jungles of southern Mexico and Colombia. Their scientific name is Ramphastos sulphuretus. The keel-billed toucans are highly social, often seen in small flocks, and their diet consists mainly of fruits, though it occasionally eats insects, eggs, and small vertebrates. Number 6. 12-wired bird of paradise. The 12-wired bird of paradise is an extraordinary bird found in the lowland forests of New Guinea. Its scientific name is Seleucidus melanoleucus. The male bird is known for its striking black and yellow plumage and unique courtship displays, which feature 12 filamentous wires extending from its tail. During mating rituals, the male performs elaborate dances, showcasing these wire-like feathers to attract a mate. The display dance of the 12-wired bird of paradise is called a wire-wike display, and it is performed by males to attract females by showing their flank plumes and bare pigmented thighs. Number 5. Mandarin duck. Mandarin ducks are native to East Asia. Male mandarin ducks have stunningly colorful feathers. Their scientific name is Aix galericulata. They inhabit wooded ponds, marshes, and streams, often favoring areas with dense vegetation. The mandarin duck holds cultural significance in various Asian cultures, symbolizing love and fidelity due to their strong pair bonds. Number 4. Quetzal. Quetzals are found in regions from Mexico to western Panama. Quetzals, specifically the resplendent quetzals, are known for their iridescent plumage. Its scientific name is Pheromachus mucino. Unlike females, male quetzals have a long tail. Quetzal is the national bird of Guatemala. Number 3. Victoria crowned pigeon. The Victoria crowned pigeon is a deep bluish-gray pigeon with elegant blue lace-like crests. Its name commemorates the British monarch, Queen Victoria. Its scientific name is Gura victoria. They are native to the New Guinea region. Victoria crowned pigeons are known for their gentle temperament and deep, resonant cooing calls. Number 2. Golden pheasant. The golden pheasant is known for its brilliantly colored plumage. It is also called Chinese pheasant and rainbow pheasant. The male is particularly eye-catching with a golden yellow crest, red body, and an intricate mix of green, blue, and orange plumage. Its scientific name is Chrysolophus pictus. Golden pheasanters are native to Western China, but is also found in other parts of the world. Number 1. Peacock. Peacock is arguably the most beautiful bird on the planet. They are found in the Indian subcontinent and Southeast Asia. Its scientific name is Pavo cristatus. Peacock is famous for its long tail of iridescent feathers with eye spots. Depending on the angle of light reflection, the color of the peacock's tail feathers looks different. Peacock is the national bird of India. Native to South Asia, peacocks hold cultural and religious significance in various cultures, symbolizing beauty, pride, and immortality. These are the 15 most beautiful birds on the planet. These birds are celebrated not only for their vivid colors and unique patterns, but also for their fascinating behaviors and roles in their respective ecosystems.